somewhere in the rolling green hills of New Zealand, a story begins. Every morning, farmers here tend to their flocks with extraordinary care and patience. Closely, do you see that? This is raw, natural wool, Dave. Untouched, pure, extraordinary.
From the youngest lambs to the oldest ewes and Hofant, every single one contributes to this incredible journey.
Closely, do you see that? This is raw, natural wool, untouched, pure, extraordinary.
Each sheep grows approximately 4 to 5 kilograms of fleece every single year. But this wool's journey is only just beginning. Today, Tomaitsi, it travels thousands of miles. To the hands, machines, and expertise of one extraordinary facility in the heart of Florida, USA. Welcome to Behind the Goods, Tufed, Florida's premier wool processing and blanket manufacturing facility. Every day, tons of raw wool enter these doors, and extraordinary blankets leave them. The moment a truck arrives, the Behind the Goods team moves immediately and with absolute precision. These bales weigh hundreds of kilograms each. Handling them requires skill, coordination, and strength.
The transformation begins. Raw fleece, paloon, to finished blanket. Every step, right here.
Floor processes thousands of kilograms daily, each worker a trained specialist in their craft. Step 2. Scouring. Raw wool is full of natural oils, dirt, and debris. It must be thoroughly cleaned. Wool is submerged in carefully heated water, precisely temperature controlled to protect every fiber. Too hot, the wool shrinks and felts. Reorganization. Too cold, the oils remain. Precision here is absolutely everything.
Lower the temperature on the main wash. Okay, turning the dial down now. Is that better? Yes, that's within parameters.
As it emerges, transformed, brilliant white, clean, and ready for what come next. The drying tunnel removes every trace of moisture, gently, evenly, without damaging a single fiber. Thousands of tiny steel teeth work in perfect synchronization, combing, separating, aligning. Step 4. Spinning. The carded wool is now twisted under precise tension into continuous yarn.
What enters as a tangled mass emerges as this, a perfectly even, beautifully soft wool bag.
Step 4. Spinning. The carded wool is now twisted under precise tension into continuous yarn.
Spinning. The carded wool is now twisted under precise tension into continuous yarn. Twist too little, the yarn breaks apart. Twist too much, it loses its natural softness. Balance.
The spinning floor at Behind the Goods runs continuously, producing kilometer after kilometer of yarn, and transforms through advanced industrial systems into precision-engineered textile products.
These chunky bobbins hold hundreds of meters each, the raw material of every blanket this
Control
factory.
never stops. Every bobbin is tested for strength, consistency, and texture before moving on.
Step 5. Dyeing. Natural wool accepts color magnificently, rich, deep, and remarkable.
Behind the Goods uses only non-toxic, environmentally responsible dyes. Safe for families, safe for...
As the yarn dries, the colors deepen and set permanently, each shade richer than the last.
The yarn is now ready. And this is where Behind the Goods. Every blanket produced here is hand-knitted by skilled workers, using large needles, one stitch at a time.
Let's talk about everything you'll need before we begin.
Fence your yarn. I'm using chunky merino wool today. It's soft, warm, and absolutely gorgeous to work with.
Standard throw blanket has a 50 by 60 inches prop here. You'll need approximately 6 to 8 skeins.
These are size 50 knitting needles. Large, yes, wahed, but I promise they make everything wonderfully simple.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create something as beautiful as this.
Hello and welcome. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here with me today.
To the most satisfying thing you will ever make with your own 2 hands.
Each worker casts on precisely 30 stitches, the foundation of every behind-the-goods throw blanket. 20 high-speed industrial knitting machines operate simultaneously on this floor, each producing multiple finished blankets per shift. The garter structure is engineered mechanically, consistent, strong, and perfectly uniform, row after row. Mid-production quality checks are fully system-assisted. Stitch density, tension calibration, and texture uniformity is a fusion of precision engineering and automation, where advanced machinery replaces manual production entirely.
Yarn spool ends, the system automatically switches to the next, ensuring uninterrupted, seamless blanket production.
Once complete, the blanket is automatically released from the machine and transferred for finishing processing. Finishing begins with automated inspection systems, scanning every inch for consistency and structural integrity. Excess fibers are trimmed by precision machinery, ensuring clean, uniform edges on every product. Blanket undergoes strict multi-point inspection, combining human oversight with automated
minor
quality.
Irregularities are flagged instantly by the system, GEMIT, ensuring zero deviation from production standards. Each blanket undergoes a controlled industrial wash cycle, removing residue and refining fabric.
Controlled drying preserves structure and texture, ensuring long-term durability and softness.
Each blanket undergoes a controlled industrial wash cycle, removing residue and refining fabric.
Product is sealed, labeled, and prepared using high-speed automated packaging systems.
This is modern textile manufacturing, driven by automation, precision, and scale. Every blanket is the result of a fully integrated industrial production system. Thousands of finished units are stored in automated warehouse systems, ready for nationwide distribution. From this facility, shipments are dispatched daily across the United States at industrial scale. It begins with natural wool sources, carefully selected for industrial textile processing.
From production floor to warehouse, every step is engineered for precision, scale, and reliability.
Behind the goods, engineered with precision, manufactured at scale.
Delivered sane. These blankets reach homes across America through fast, reliable distribution networks.
Each blanket arrives securely packed, preserving its quality from factory to home.
The first touch reveals the texture, soft, consistent, and precisely manufactured.
Every blanket is tested instantly by customers for comfort, stretch, and finishing quality.